All right, so really quickly, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a lead generation opt-in funnel. And I already have the funnel basically complete and everything. I'll kind of go through it and show you with you guys. Let me screen share with you guys so you guys can see what I got going on. Cool. All right, so now we're in my screen. I'm going to jump on over here into ClickFunnels. So I already have the opt-in funnel built. This is actually for a client of mine. Now, what we're going to do is this is just a blank funnel, and we need to set it up with the email capture. So when people are entering their information into this opt-in funnel, it on a Google Sheet. So over here in your Google Drive, which Google Drive is free, you just go to Drive, go over here to these, click on Drive. Once you click on Drive, it'll open up this tab, hit New Document, and then what you want to do is you want to have a Google Sheet. New Google Sheet. Once the Google Sheet is built, then you want to take and name the Google Sheet whatever your funnel name is. So for this particular one, it would be the green card movement. If it ever wants to finish loading. There we go. Okay, well, while it's loading, let's see if I can. Row A, the first row is name, and then row B, type an email and hit enter. How come it's not populating? Let's try naming it. There we go. Green card movement, name, email. I normally bring this out, and then I do the same thing with B, just because it looks easier. It's easier to read and everything. Okay, boom. All right, now the Google document is set up. It is saving right now, but Google document save is. So now that we have the sheet set up and now we have the funnel ready, there's two ways to go about doing this. I would suggest doing it this way just because it walks you through this setup. So go to settings on the funnel itself that you're trying to connect. And this works with any opt-in page, anything where people are entering information and submitting information. Scroll down. And you want to have Zapier or Zapier, however you pronounce it. Zapier. It's basically my last name, but instead of an N, it's a Z. And then you want to do add new ClickFunnels contacts to Google Sheet. Use the Zap. Your first Zap is free. I think you can have one free Zap, so you don't have to worry about paying for this if you just have one single opt-in funnel. But I do pay for it because I have. What Zapier is it connects every single thing that you're trying to do together. So like say if you have a ClickFunnels and you're trying to set up a Calendly or something along the lines where people can schedule with you, then you would use Zapier to do that. Or let's say you're using email autoresponder and you need to get the emails from your funnel to the email autoresponder without you physically having to do it. Zapier would also do that. It basically is the glue for all the softwares on the internet. All right. So choose your ClickFunnels account. Boom. Continue. Then you want to find the specific funnel. There it is, green card movement. Since there's only one funnel step, hit the one funnel step, the opt-in, continue. Test and continue. And then it should bring in data. If not, you just go to that opt-in page and then enter your email and select enter. I don't think it's going to find any info yet, so we'll skip the test. All right, go over here to do Google account. Select which Google account. And this is why we created the sheet first. So now, see, choose spreadsheet, green car movement, worksheet value, sheet 0. I don't know why that it does that every time. Just don't even worry about it. And then see how it has name, and then you have your email, which since we didn't do a test data, it just populated Triggerman. All right, no data, Triggerman. Then we're with the fields that we had in there. So see if you had like phone number, Zoom contact, link information, you would then go through these and put them in the Google Sheet, and then they would populate in here, and then you could just set it up like that, get your information from your funnel to your Google Sheets, you have it. And hit continue, but that's like getting more complex. I'm trying to show you guys just the basics. So see, it's got it all. Triggerman name, sheet 1, green card movement, Google Drive. It's good. Test and continue. This app is ready. Turn it on. Check them out as apps. Okay, but if I wasn't out of Zaps, you would turn the Zap on. The Zap should be working. How you test it is you go back to your funnel. Go back to your funnel. Click on the funnel. Go to preview page, and then preview it. Enter your email and name, and hit enter. Let the page do its thing, and then go over to your Google Sheet, and it should populate in here once the Zap is turned on. So that is how you connect it for email marketing when you're trying to collect emails. So when people are entering their email information on this page, it's getting sent to your Google document, and then you can use your Google document and put it into email marketing, stuff like that. And I'll show you how to do that in the next video.